These little mini eggs are encased in a bead cage out of wire. And they're great for cake toppers and putting into plants like I've done here for Easter. So you just need some wire, 0.8 of a millimeter or 20 gauge wire, and you're going to create a little circle about a third of the way along on an arm's length of wire. And then you spiral the wire around that little circle to create a spiral with the rest of the wire at a right angle. And then you create another spiral with the extending wire above that to create the S, swirly S. And then you bring them together and push them out to create the cage. And when you bring those two spirals together, the little egg can sit in the center and you can push those coils around it to encase it. And you can make bouquets by wiring them together to put as cake toppers. You can put them into plants, vases, bottles, all sorts of things to decorate your Easter table. So I hope you have a wonderful Easter. Thank you for watching.